Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to use lists in Stack to manage your project. So the first thing that you want to do is you're going to create a list by going here to the left sidebar and you will see a plus icon. So you want to click on it and then click on list and it will automatically make a new list for you. Or you can also create a list from over here at the left sidebar, click on list. Then you will see the new button, then click on it. And you can click on new list or you can also start from a template if you want. Now we're going to go back to my list. And then I'm going to create a name for my list, like so. And if I click on assignee over here and right click on it, you can see that I actually can remove task tracking fields. So if I click on it, click on remove. As you can see, I've already removed the field and I can also add a field by clicking on the plus icon over here. Then you're going to choose the type of the field. It could be a task tracking field, a text, a number, a checkbox, a date, or just anything from these options over here. And after you've selected one, you're just going to click on save. And as you can see, I've already added the field. And you can also share your list to your coworkers by clicking on the share button over here at the top. Then you can add the name of a collaborator or the name of the channel, or you can also send the link by clicking on the general access. Then you're going to change it to anyone can view or can edit. Then you're just going to go ahead and share the link with your coworkers. Now, if you right click on an item on your list and right click on it, you can see that you can also open a thread over here. Click on add comment. Then over here you can also type your thread or your comment so your coworkers can also talk about the item or the project over here on your list. Now if you go back to a channel and I right click on a message, you can also choose to click on add to list so it will automatically be added up to your list. So just go ahead and choose the list, then click on add. And as you can see, I've already added it to my list. Now I'm gonna go back to my list. And you can also change the filter over here. So you can sort your list depending on the importance of the projects or the items that you've added. And it's also efficient for better viewing. So that's it. I hope this helps and thanks for watching.